Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Naval ships operate in environments where the threat of air attack is ever present, making advanced aerial defense systems an essential aspect of their combat readiness. These systems are specifically engineered to detect, track, intercept, and neutralize a wide array of aerial threats, including anti-ship missiles, manned aircraft, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. As adversaries develop increasingly fast, agile, and low observable weapons, naval air defense technology continues to evolve to ensure ships remain protected in modern combat scenarios. A key element of this defensive architecture is the Close-In Weapon System, or CIWS, often referred to as a point defense system. CIWS provides the final shield of protection when all other layers have failed, countering threats that have breached a ship's long-range defenses. These systems are typically deck-mounted and fully automated, integrating high-speed rotary cannons, such as the multi-barrel Gatling gun, with advanced radar and electro-optical tracking. Upon detection, the CIWS rapidly identifies and engages incoming targets with precise bursts of fire, often within seconds, ensuring the vessel's survival against fast-moving threats like sea-skimming missiles or hostile aircraft in close proximity. CIWS is typically governed by an Advanced Fire Control System, FCS, that seamlessly integrates the radar, electro-optical, and weapon components into a fully automated defensive network. The FCS continuously receives data from onboard radar and laser tracking systems to determine a target's range, bearing, altitude, and velocity in real time. Based on this data, the system rapidly computes a firing solution and autonomously commands the high-speed Gatling gun to engage the incoming threat with pinpoint accuracy. To ensure mission readiness and combat effectiveness, CIWS platforms undergo a rigorous testing and evaluation program. This includes extensive environmental stress tests, functionality assessments, accuracy verification, and interoperability trials to validate performance under diverse operational conditions and ensure seamless integration with a ship's broader defense systems. During NATO's exercise Joint Warrior, conducted off the coast of Scotland, a simulated air attack targeting the Spanish frigate Méndez Núñez triggered a coordinated defensive response, including live activation of weapon systems on both sides. This large-scale exercise brought together more than 40 warships and submarines from 14 NATO member nations, supported by 70 aircraft, in a highly realistic training environment. The primary objective was to assess and refine the alliance's ability to detect, track, and neutralize aerial threats through joint action. By simulating high-pressure combat scenarios, the exercise enhanced operational readiness, improved tactical coordination, and strengthened interoperability among participating forces, critical elements for executing effective air defense operations in real-world engagements. The threat of missiles and low-flying aircraft attacks is not just restricted to seaborne operations. Critical land bases and infrastructure need to be protected from these threats, as well as unmanned aerial vehicles. The counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar system, commonly known as CRAM, is the ground-based version of the Navy CIWS system. This advanced defense mechanism serves a crucial role in safeguarding against aerial threats, including rockets, artillery shells, and mortar rounds. Functioning as a terrestrial counterpart to naval defense systems like the Phalanx Close and Weapon System (CIWS), the CRAM employs radar, guided rapid-fire technology for effective close-in defense. Enhanced with a forward-looking infrared camera, it allows operators to visually identify and intercept incoming threats before they reach their targets. A notable distinction between CRAM and its naval equivalent lies in their choice of ammunition. Unlike the tungsten armor-piercing rounds used by naval phalanx systems, CRAM utilizes 20 mm ammunition, initially designed for the M163 Vulcan air defense system. These rounds are engineered to explode upon impact or at the end of their trajectory, significantly minimizing collateral damage in the event of a missed target. The CRAM system epitomizes the evolution of point defense technology, marrying automated precision with formidable Gatling gun firepower to create an indispensable asset in modern warfare defense strategies. After exploring the CRAM system's capabilities in mitigating aerial threats, let's delve into the domain of the MIM-104 Patriot missile system. A key asset in the United States Army and several allied nations, the Patriot is renowned for its efficacy as a surface-to-air missile SAM system. Produced by Raytheon, a major U.S. defense contractor, the system's name is derived from its radar component. The ANMPQ-53, an acronym for Phased Array Tracking Radar to intercept on target. Since its introduction in 1984, the Patriot missile system has played a crucial role in modernizing U.S. air defense by replacing legacy platforms such as the Nike Hercules and Mime-23 Hawk. Representing a significant leap in capability, the Patriot has evolved beyond its original role to become a key component of the U.S. Army's anti-ballistic missile defense architecture. Its versatility in countering both aircraft and tactical ballistic missile threats underscores its operational value in a wide range of combat scenarios. With ongoing upgrades and modernization efforts, the Patriot system is expected to remain in active service through at least 2040, demonstrating its enduring effectiveness and adaptability in the face of evolving aerial threats. The Light Marine Air Defense Integrated System, or LMADIS, is a cutting-edge counter-unmanned aerial system employed by the U.S. Marine Corps to neutralize hostile drone threats. Designed as a mobile defense platform, the LMADIS consists of two Polaris M Razor all-terrain vehicles, one equipped with a radar system for detecting and tracking aerial targets, and the other with a command and control suite and electronic warfare equipment. The system operates by first using its radar to identify incoming drones, then employing its electronic warfare capabilities to disrupt the communication link between the drone and its operator. This interruption can lead to the deactivation, control takeover, or safe landing of the drone, depending on the situation. The LMADIS is particularly effective in countering small, low-flying drones that are often used for surveillance and potentially for carrying out hostile activities, making it an essential tool for enhancing the security of Marine Corps units, especially during expeditionary or forward deployed operations. As we consider advanced air defense systems, Leonardo DRS, Maneuver Air Defense Solutions offer a comprehensive approach to contemporary aerial threats. This system empowers warfighters with the ability to detect, identify, track, and effectively neutralize a variety of airborne dangers, including unmanned aerial systems, helicopters, and fixed-wing aircraft. The Maneuver Short Range Air Defense, M-SHORAD Inc. One is a pivotal component in this arsenal, specifically designed to operate in concert with brigade combat teams. It provides critical support in countering low-altitude threats, thereby enhancing the defense capabilities of tactical units. Mounted on a specially designed Stryker vehicle, the M-SHORAD Inc. One Mission Equipment Package ensures that warfighters can seamlessly maneuver and engage with both air and ground targets. This integration of superior firepower and mobility, developed in collaboration with industry leaders like L3 Harris, Moog, and Northrop Grumman, establishes a new benchmark in ensuring the safety and dominance of forces at the forefront of defense operations. The SHORAD Short-Range Air Defense System is equipped with cutting-edge sensors and targeting technologies that enable precise engagement of aerial threats under all lighting conditions, including low visibility and complete darkness. Its advanced night firing capabilities ensure continuous, 24-hour air defense coverage, significantly enhancing its operational readiness in diverse and dynamic combat environments. By integrating thermal imaging, infrared sensors, and night vision systems, SHORAD allows warfighters to maintain superior situational awareness and rapid threat response at any time of day. This around-the-clock effectiveness reinforces SHORAD's status as a critical, adaptable, and dependable element within modern layered air defense strategies. As aerial threats continue to grow in speed, precision, and complexity, the need for advanced, integrated air defense systems has never been more critical. From ship-mounted close-in weapon systems and land-based CRAM units to high-tech platforms like the Patriot missile system and LMADIS, modern militaries rely on a layered and adaptive approach to maintain air superiority and protect vital assets. These technologies not only reflect decades of innovation and strategic evolution, but also demonstrate the unwavering commitment to safeguarding personnel and infrastructure across all domains, land, sea, and air. As defense systems continue to advance, interoperability, rapid response, and 24/7 situational awareness will remain at the heart of modern air defense operations. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.